picture changed entirely. But the whole thing was a setup. In Kamurocho, men are pulled into the criminal underworld's currents. But those that refuse to submit to its tides will always struggle.
So, you aren't doing what I asked?
No, I don't, boss.
You sure could use one with talk still hanging around. It's time to start doing your damn job! Got a light?
Yeah.
Camp's awfully tense lately. Kinda kills the whole room, you know? Huh?
Yeah.
He's always in such a bad mood.
One dead, one wounded in the Tojo clan's Matsugane office shooting.
Dead guy's name was Kurimoto. Been in the family for years.
Did I know him?
Doubt it. He didn't make a habit of standing out.
At least they got the killer. Apparently he says he's just an office worker.
Bullshit. Guy's a Kyorei assassin, no doubt.
You sure?
Yep. At least that's what Higashi told me.
Oh, you mean the guy who was ready to shoot me the other day?
You still sore about that? Anyway, according to Higashi, this guy shot Kurimoto 3 times in the torso. Then, he shot both his eyes out.
Why?
Must be the Kyorei's idea of revenge. If things keep going like this, though, even the Tojo clan proper might end up getting involved.
So the Kyorei clan wants a war.
Looks like it. Kamurocho's turning into a goddamn battlefield. Higashi probably wouldn't hurt to swing by the arcade and get the scoop.
Hello?
Yagami-san!
Huh? Yeah. What a waste. Really? And stay down.
いらっしゃいませ。
Good stuff.
ありがとうございました。
Hmm? は？
はい。
Nah.
お願いします。
Hey.
Yagami-san!
Yagami-kun.
Ah. Hey.
No.
Hmm?
Huh?
Huh? Hey. Hmm.
Okay.
No. Hey!
Huh?
Hey.
Huh?
Yes.
Huh?
Yagami-san.
Hmm?
Please?
Uh-huh. What the? Hmm? Ah.
No.
Hmm. Hey. Ah.
Okay.
Huh?
Yagami-san.
Yagami-san.
Yeah. Uh-huh. What the? Ah,
Yes.
nah.
Taunt?
Uh-huh. Suspicious.
Yagami-san.
Ah.
Yagami-san.
Huh?
Please.
Yagami-kun.
Okay.
Hey.
Nope.
Okay.
Hmm? Huh?
Hey.
Hmm?
Hmm. Hmm.
Yep.
Hmm.
Check this out.
Well. Oh.
Huh?
Hey.
Oh, oh.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Guess we're doing this. What a waste.
Yagami? What are you doing here?
Just here to chat.
To chat? If Captain Hamura knew this, he'd...
What?
Never mind. Don't gotta worry about that now. He's in no position to be coming after you anymore.
You mean because of the shooting?
Yeah, it really shook him up. He's been MIA ever since that night. Went into hiding even before the cops came. So, what do you want? Don't just stand there. You're a guest. Take a seat.
Sounds like the family's a mess right now.
Got that right. The office is crawling with cops. Gonna head over there myself once I'm done with this.
Why?
Gotta shore up the defensive line. The whole family's on duty for this shit.
Right. I'm just wondering, why'd the Curie decide to come after you now? They've been pretty quiet.
It's obvious. Their second in command's in town and ready for war. Took the train up from Kansai and everything.
Who's this guy?
Name's Satoshi Shioya. The guy's a natural-born fighter. And soon enough, he'll be chairman.
And he's the one who ordered the shooting?
No doubt. Though he was targeting Hamura, not Kurimoto.
What makes you say that?
Take a look at this. It's a shot of Kurimoto right after the shooting.
Ugh. Tough to look at.
Man got bullets through both eyes. That's not what I want to show you. Look at his clothes.
His clothes? What about them?
The captain was wearing the same jacket yesterday.
Wait.
They're about the same age, and they look the same from behind, too. Safe to say the captain knows who they were really after.
Explains why he went into hiding so quick. Funny how this all worked out.
You don't look very worried. If the Kiore are gunning for Captain Hamura, why wouldn't they go for the guys who set him free, too?
What, you think they're coming for me?
Nah. If anything, Shintani's the one who should worry. After all, he was Hamura's lawyer.
Yeah.
He won't stand a chance with Yakuza gunning for him. If I were you, I'd at least give him a heads up.
Kim-san?
How's my favorite know-it-all doing? Good?
Who is this?
Sai, you know, from the Keihin gang.
And you're calling me why?
Yakami-san, do not listen to him. Oh, shut your mouth.
Kim-san? You okay?
Do you want to see your friend alive again? Get your ass over here.
That bastard. Bring it on. And stay down. This again. Really, guys? Kim-san!
Yakami-san? I'm so sorry! I forgot how much you pissed me off, know-it-all.
And I forgot how dumb you look, so we might as well call it even.
What was that?
So, this is our guy, huh? I've heard a lot about you, Yagami-san. Rumor has it you're a skilled little skull buster.
Thanks?
The name's Honda. Renji Honda from the Keihin gang. Pleased to meet you.
Honda, shut up and help us kick his ass already!
Help you?
Come on, boys! Oh! Ah! Dude, Honda, what the fuck? What the hell are you doing?
I was looking forward to this fight. Not gonna waste it by just dogpiling the guy. Be glad to give you a taste too if you disagree.
Hey, what's your deal?
Just want to fight you, that's all.
Huh?
That's the whole reason I joined the Keihin. Locking fists with tough bastards like you. So come on, let's tango.
Sorry, but I really don't have time for this.
Fighting's the only thing that keeps the world spinning, Yagami-san. I know you agree. Now, enough talk. I'm ready for some fun! You're even beefier than I'd heard! This is freaking great!
I'm not too big on fighting for no reason, though.
Oh yeah? Looked like you were having fun to me. You're a natural-born fist-flinger! But... I think we're done here.
What?
Random bystander phoned the coppers on us. They'll be here any second. Go!
What about your fight? I thought that's what keeps the world spinning.
Can't exactly fight you if you're rotting away behind bars.
Let's go. Yagami-san, hurry.
Okay.
Hey, that was a real hoot! Let's do it again sometime, Yagami-san!
Phew. We should be safe now.
Who was that guy, Kim-san?
You do not know? Oh, that was Honda, one of the Keihin Four.
The... what?
Oh, it's what they call the four highest-ranking members of the Keihin gang. Kasai, Honda, Sakakiba, and Koga. Each of the four has their own faction, and countless thugs doing their dirty work for them.
So there are two more?
Yes, and I hear Koga's faction is the strongest of them all. Yes, word on the street is that they line their pockets selling weapons on the black market. Not even the Yakuza are keeping up with how powerful they have become.
Well, then let's hope this Koga guy stays far away from us.
So sorry. I'm afraid it's my fault that they are coming after you.
It's all good.
Please, just be careful, Yagami-san.
You too, Kim-san.
Out of the way!
What a waste. Huh? Hmm? Yeah. Now. It's the spot.
ありがとうございました。
This again? And stay down. Excuse me.
Yagami.
Hmm? Yep.
Thank you. Hey.
Hmm? Huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm.